2018 Ford F150 with the 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost engine, and today we're doing an oil change. For this oil change, we're going to be using 6 quarts of 5W30 premium synthetic blend motor oil and the CarQuest Romeo 84502 oil filter. Let's get to it. Alright, underneath the vehicle, go ahead and move to the back of the engine, and right here by your sway bar you'll see your drain plug. That looks like it's been pretty beat up. I hope I can get that off. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's still got plenty of grab on it. It is a 15 millimeter. These freaking engineers. You gotta make even oil changes difficult. Go ahead and let that drain out. While it's draining, check the gasket on the back side of your drain plug. Make sure that there's no cracks in it and that it looks good enough to be reused. If you have any dripping or leaking in the area of your drain plug, go ahead and just replace your drain plug. Would probably be a safer idea. And with the oil finished draining, go ahead and put your drain plug back in and reinstall. Once you get it down tight, just give it a good tug. And that's it. Don't go crazy on it. Don't rip out any threads. It is not that serious. And in the front of the vehicle, you'll see your oil filter located right here. And they put that down way too tight. Should not be like that. Alright, when removing your oil filter, you'll see that you have a little hole right here, and that's for the oil to drain out from the oil filter. And you also have a little runoff chute kind of thing right here. This is where your oil is actually supposed to go, but they never work the way they're supposed to. So finish unscrewing that and remove your old oil filter. Check your old oil filter for its O-ring. Going around the rim of your oil filter there is your O-ring. Make sure that it is there and completely intact. After that, double check the oil filter housing. Make sure that there's no debris in way when you install your new oil filter. Grab some of that used motor oil that's leaking and lubricate your new O-ring and install your new oil filter. and put it down hand tight. Last but not least, go ahead and hit your new oil filter and the tray underneath of it where the oil drains out with some brake clean, and hit your drain plug with some brake clean, leaving both areas clean and clear of any used motor oil, so that way when you get underneath this vehicle again later, and if you see oil in those areas, you know that you have a possible oil leak and not that you just left a mess after your oil change. Back up top side, we can see our oil cap right here behind the intake box. Go ahead and remove that cap and top off your oil. And of course, add your oil cap back on and ensure that it is on tight. 2018 Ford F150 with the 3.5 EcoBoost engine. This is also the King Ranch model. I don't know if that's going to make any difference. I don't think it will. Anyway, we just did an oil change. We're getting ready to reset the oil life. To do that, we're going to need to press the ignition button on without having our foot on the brake. Using our keypads right here, I'm going to scroll over to our settings. Advanced settings, vehicle, and click on our oil life reset. Hold the OK button, and your oil life has been reset. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.